Welcome back to our channel, and today you're going to learn how to make blue rice. This blue rice is very famous recently, and this is very healthy, and also you can make this using herbal flowers, nothing but butterfly pea flowers. In India we call this as Aparajita flowers, but which is widely found everywhere in the coastal areas and also in India. This yummy, spicy and colorful blue rice can be prepared easily at home. Let's learn how to make this rice. So all you got to do is put a pot on the stove, add some oil, add some butter for taste, and add cumin seeds. These cumin seeds, and add some red chili or green chili and salt for taste, and saute all these things. These all the spices are optional. It's your choice. Now just add 2 cups of water. So for 1 cup of rice, you need about 10 butterfly flowers. These flowers are freshly cut flowers from my backyard garden, totally organic. So I'm using 10 flowers. Just I'm adding these flowers to the boiling water. And also I have kept 1 cup of washed rice, and I'm adding the rice to the pot, and also adding some spices for taste and flavors, and those are like a cardamom, cinnamon and a clove. And let all the rice, the spices and the flowers get cooked. As they are boiling, you can see this beautiful color coming out from the flowers, and there is a nice aroma coming out, and the beautiful color of blue is coming out from the flowers. And let this cook together for about 10 minutes, so the rice will be ready. And let's look at this. Finally, our blue rice is ready to be served. You can serve this beautiful blue color rice with any curry or gravy, and you can just cook the rice just using the flowers and the rice and the water. The spices are optional. So if you want to really enjoy this beautiful blue rice, try at least once in a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.